question number 5th, A part. Find the product using suitable properties. By using suitable properties, we have to find the product. So how can we find the product? Just simple. Here is what is it common here? This is multiplication, this is also in multiplication, and this is the separation sign. That means plus is a separation sign. Okay, now what is common digit? Here is also 48 and here is also 48. That means we have to take out common digit. Minus 48 is the common digit. Now one time multiply, bracket, and here what left? If you taken out 48, what left? Obviously 26. Then here is separation sign plus, and here if you take 48 minus 48, what left? Obviously minus 36. Now what we have to do is solve this first. Plus into minus is minus. So 26 minus 36 into 48 minus 48. Now solve this. 36 is greater digit, the sign will be minus. 36 minus 26 we will get minus 10. Now multiply minus 48. Now what we will do? Here is also minus, here is also minus. Minus minus plus, and 48 into 10 is 480. That means the answer of this lengthy equation is very simple, 480. It's very easy. Look at question number 5th, B part. It is in the form of commutative law. How the order will be changed, but the answer will same. Into, now minus 25 into 53. We can change order. First, it's very suitable that multiply 125 by 8. So you can also multiply 8 by 53. But 8 into 53, then the answer will be difficult to multiply this number. So you take first greater one and the smaller one. So smaller one and greater one. Now multiply these number. You will get minus 1000 multiply 53. Now you can easily multiply this number. 53 into 1000, 000, 1, 2, 3. That means minus 53,000. This is the answer. And which property you use? Here, commutative law. Now look at question number 5th, C part. Again, by using commutative law, I am solving this. So what property you use? Commutative property means you can multiply in any order. Now I am taking here 15 multiply. First multiply 25 into minus 4. And then solve the other digits. Now, here is greater digit is 25 and smaller is 4. So, greater digit and smaller digit will be multiplied first. It will get easier. It's not compulsory actually. So, minus into minus is plus. 25 into 4 is 100. And what left here? 15 minus 10. This answer is 100. Now, solve this. This is very easy. Minus plus minus, again greater digit and smaller digit we have to take. So write here 15 into 10 into 100 is 1000, and plus minus is minus. Now 15 into 1000 we will get minus 15,000. This is our answer. This question. Minus 41 into 102. 102, can we separate 100 plus 2? Yes, we can separate. So this is the equation is in the form of distributive law of multiplication over addition. What is distribution law? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into See, this is our distributive law, right? So distributive law says 100 here is A is equal to, we can take minus 41. What B? B here, I am separating this digit by 102. 100 plus 2. So B is 100 and let C is equal to 2. Now how can I solve this? This is very simple question. When you bring 41 multiply 100 plus 2. So is it the form of this A, B plus C. Now what next? Equal to A into B. That means 41 into 100 and again plus sign 41 into 2. Okay, and solve easily. Minus plus minus 4100 plus here minus plus minus 41 twos are 82. Now what next? Minus 4100 plus into minus is minus. Now as you know, minus minus plus, so we have to add these number, but the sign will be of greatest digit. So minus minus plus 4182 is our answer, and which one is greater digit? Here 4100. That means we have to apply minus sign. Fifth, E part. What is our E part? Here is 625 into 35 plus 625 into 65, right? So by using distributive law, what is distributive law? A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. This is our distributive law, right? So here question is form of like this: A into B, A into C. So what is our common digit here? A is equal to 625. So value of A is 625. So what we will have to do is, by taking common 625, that is the value of A into, here what left? Minus 35. Here also plus minus is minus 65. Okay. Now what? 625 multiply minus minus plus 65 plus 35 is 100. And sign will be of greater digit. So minus sign. Now 625 into 100 is 625 into 100. We will get this. This and apply minus sign here. So property makes our sums very easy. Solve it and do practice. These are very simple question F and G. Question number 5th, F and G part is for your practice. Solve this. Hint is, by using distributive law, you can solve these two questions. So solve it and send it.